happening? Don't look back, just run! The door won't open!
Try again, hurry!
It's stuck! It's stuck! Anna, look behind you! What is that? Don't stop moving! Help! Somebody help us! Keep going, don't stop! It's getting closer. We're trapped! Somebody, please, HELPUS.
David, the garden really needs our attention today.
You're right, Emma. Let's get the tools ready.
I'll just check on the kids before we start.
Good idea. I'll grab the gloves and the watering can.
Tom, Anna, Dad and I will work in the garden. Please stay inside.
Okay, Mom. We'll stay right here.
Don't worry, we'll be good. Thank you, both of you.
And Tom, remember this clearly. No experiments inside the house today.
Okay, Mom. Don't worry about us. We will stay inside.
All right, we'll be right outside if you need us.
Huh?
Call us if anything happens, okay?
We will, Dad.
Have fun in the garden.
Anna, I am so bored. Sitting here quietly is really not fun for me today. Me too, a little bit. What can we do? Let's think of something fun. Tom, let's build this wooden castle together. We can make it really big and beautiful.
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
Okay, let's start with the towers. This tower is looking really tall, Anna.
Let's add a little flag on the top.
Good idea. It looks amazing.
We make a really good team.
Anna, look at that soap. I think we can make a huge mountain of bubbles.
Tom, where did you find that?
It was next to the sink. Look how colorful it is. I saw Dad's bubble machine in the closet. Let's try it.
Tom, are you sure that's a good idea?
It will just be a little bit of fun, Anna.
I don't know about this.
Tom, Mom told us not to do experiments. Please stop before something goes wrong. It's just soap and water, Anna. Nothing bad will happen. Please be careful, okay? Okay, I'll just pour a little bit of soap in here. Just a little more should be perfect.
Tom, that looks like a lot of soap.
Don't worry, Anna. Watch this.
Look, Anna. It's working.
Wow, that's actually really pretty. I told you it would be fun. Okay, maybe just a few more minutes. Ow! Look at these bubbles. They are getting bigger and bigger.
Tom, that's a lot of bubbles now.
This is amazing. Tom, stop! The bubbles are everywhere. We need to get out right now. Just a little more, Anna. Look how big it is. Tom, I mean it. This isn't fun anymore. Oh no, the bubbles are leaving the bathroom. Tom, look at the hallway. Anna, I cannot see the floor. These bubbles are filling the whole hallway. Tom, this is getting really big now. I didn't think it would do this. We need to turn it off, Tom. I can't find the switch anymore.
Tom, let's go this way.
Anna, the bubbles are blocking the door. Try the other hallway. It's the same over there too. Tom, the bubble mountain is touching the ceiling. Our whole room is disappearing.
Anna, I'm sorry. I didn't mean this.
We can talk later. Let's move now. The hallway is completely blocked. Anna, I cannot find a way outside. There has to be another way. Keep looking. I don't see one, Anna. Anna, hold my hand. That giant bubble wave is coming straight toward us.
Tom, hold on tight to me.
I've got you. Don't let go. Anna, help me. This giant bubble is around me and I cannot get out.
Tom, hang on. I'm coming.
Hurry, Anna, please. Anna, look behind us. The bubbles are making a giant monster.
Tom, what is that thing?
I don't know, but it's huge. Tom, I am right here. Stay calm and we will figure this out together.
Okay, Anna. I trust you.
Let's hold hands and move together. Wow, Anna, we are surrounded by bubbles. This place looks completely different. Just keep moving, Tom. Don't look back. I'm right behind you. Tom, look behind us. That giant bubble creature is following us everywhere.
It's not stopping, Anna.
Then neither are we. Keep going. Tom, there are bubbles everywhere. Look at the floor. They are following us downstairs. Oh no, the whole floor is covered. Anna, there are bubbles everywhere now. Tom, the bubbles are getting deeper. We can barely see the floor anymore.
Let's try to reach the other room.
Right behind you, Tom.
Anna, the dining room is over there. Maybe we can find some space there.
Oh no, Tom. There are bubbles here too. Where can we go now? Anna, I see another hallway. Let's go there and look for Mom and Dad.
Yes, let's hurry this way.
Stay close to me, Anna. Tom, look behind us. The giant bubble creature is coming into the dining room. We need to reach the back door now.
It's not giving up, Anna.
Mom, Dad, please come here. The whole house is full of bubbles.
We need your help. Mom, Dad, can you hear us?
David, wait. Did you hear that?
It sounds like the kids are calling us.
Something doesn't sound right. Let's go check right now.
David, hurry, I hear them again.
I'm right behind you, Emma.
Tom, Anna, we're coming.
Hang on, kids, we're almost there.
Tom, Anna, we hear you. What happened inside the house?
Wow. What happened in here? Tom, Anna, why are there so many bubbles?
Is everyone okay? Please tell us.
We're okay, Mom, just a little scared.
Come here, both of you. You're safe now.
Mom, I need to tell you something.
This is a lot of bubbles, and I've never seen anything like it. Someone needs to tell me what happened here.
Dad, it's a long story.
I'll explain everything, Dad.
Dad, Mom, I am sorry. I put too much soap in the machine and the bubbles kept growing. I should have stopped it. I'm really sorry I didn't listen. Mom, Dad, I told Tom to stop many times, but he thought he could handle it by himself.
Thank you for telling us the truth, Anna.
We understand. Both of you did your best. Everyone stay calm. I will turn off the machine. Then we can clean up this big bubble mess together.
Good plan, David. Let's move carefully.
There it is, behind all this foam. Okay, turning it off now. There, it's off. It's finally stopping.
Great job, David.
Look, Tom, the bubbles are getting smaller. Dad stopped the machine. It's really working, Anna. We're gonna be okay.
It is finally gone. I am sorry, Mom and Dad. I made a really big mess.
We're just glad you're both safe. Let's clean this up together as a family. I learned my lesson today. I will always ask Mom and Dad first.
I'm proud of you for saying that, Tom.
We love you both very much. Follow the instructions and stay safe. Thanks for watching Beginner Daily English. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Learn English